Prithpal, what is the vision of the vPAC Alliance?
Kevin, nice to meet you again. The vision of the vPAC Alliance is to build standardized hardware along with software-defined infrastructure to modernize substations in the utility sector.
Now, what major industry challenges are ye working to solve with this?
So, Kevin, historically, what happened, the utilities were receiving customized hardware from multiple vendors. Vendor A, vendor B, vendor C, selling their customized hardware with customized tools to the utilities. Over the years, utilities have these thousands of devices sitting in their substations with different version of hardware, with different version of firmware in what we call it a appliance sprawl in their substation. It was hard for utilities to manage, maintain this infrastructure. So our goal is to solve that problem with standardized hardware and software defined infrastructure so utilities can replace hardware seamlessly.
Now, who's involved in the vPAC Alliance today?
Oh, thank you, Kevin. So it's an amazing group of people. So I think the first thing is we have the end customers, which are the utilities globally part of the vPAC Alliance. So the second tier are all the product in companies involved providing services to the utilities. They are all in together, which includes the hardware manufacturers, networking gear manufacturers, software defined infrastructure players, in application vendors, and the EPCs. So it is an ecosystem of all the companies which deliver product and services to the utilities.
Now, I know with DISTRIBUTECH coming up, what will be vPAC Alliance's focus at the event?
Oh, thank you, Kevin. So we have a two-prong approach for DISTRIBUTECH. The first thing is that the vPAC Alliance members, the product and services companies, they are showcasing how can they help utilities with this new architecture. You'll find the hardware, software-defined infrastructure, applications, complete end-to-end solutions. You can find more details about the vPAC Alliance members, which will be demonstrating technology at DistributeTech on vpac.alliance.com.
I also believe you have some special events planned. What are you up to?
Yes, Ken. So that's what I said. The second prong is we are hosting a vPAC ecosystem engagement event. So the purpose of this event is to educate the utilities on the value proposition of vPAC defined architecture, or we can call it a vPAC validated architecture for substation modernization. So in this event, we will have a keynote from one of the participating utilities. They are going to share their experience of implementing the vPAC architecture. They'll show how it benefits from the OPEX, CAPEX, performance. So all that data they are going to share. Then we're going to have a panel, again, working with the utilities and ecosystem partners, what products are coming in the market, and what are the challenges utilities face in embracing this new architecture. And the more critical piece is the education and training. We'll have one of the vPAC Alliance members talking about education and training because it requires the new skills. The substation engineer of the future will be half IT engineer and half power system engineer. So how do we train them? So that's all you will see there, along with some of the vPAC Alliance members will be demonstrating their technology and you can network with everybody there.
What's your vision for the vPAC Alliance into 2025 and beyond? Where's all this going?
So I think okay, that's this going towards that, where we are first thing educate the industry on its benefits and value proposition. We are doing the pilot programs with a lot of utilities worldwide, which are validating this technology and sharing their experience. Okay. So along with that, we will be showcasing on other trade shows. Like one of the trade shows is coming towards the end of February. It's called Electrama in India. So one of the largest utility in India will be showcasing this technology in that show. It will be exact replica of what they deployed in their substation. So that's kind of how do we make the broader acceptance of this technology and showcase the benefits to the utilities.
Now, final question, if I may. If folks are attending DISTRIBUTECH, how can they get in contact with you folks about the evening event, meeting up there?
So, okay, thank you. So all the information is available on vpacalliance.com. You can basically go register there, and then it will automatically notify me, and then we will basically send them an invitation to join the event. Also, they can reach me via LinkedIn, okay, and that way I can share the information with them, detailed agenda for the event, which will be held on March 25th in the evening from 5:30 to 9:30. And most of the people are welcome to register for it and join that amazing event.
Well, I'll be at DISTRIBUTECH. I'll be joining you that evening. So I'm certainly looking forward to it. So I'll see you in Dallas in a couple of weeks.
I look forward to seeing you, Kevin, always.